Carol, let me tell you, the presentation was awesome. Thank you. Thank you. Carol, there's so many things that are happening in the legal landscape, right? From an HR perspective, tell us some of the things that we really need to look out for, especially in this time.
Yeah, in this environment, the things HR folks really need to look out for, wage and hour cases are huge right now. So make sure you monitor your employees, make sure they're clocking in correctly, clocking out correctly, taking their lunch breaks when they're supposed to before the end of the fifth hour. You know all the rules.
Yeah.
You need to enforce them. And if employees are not following those rules, they need to be subject to discipline. Consistent, which is hard, but it really needs to happen to protect the client.
I see. I know in your presentation you mentioned something about like ice and grades and all of those stuff. Do we want to talk a little bit about that? What should we do just in case they pop up at the workplace?
Yeah, it's a little scary, and I gotta have a little bit of a disclaimer here because I'm not an immigration law specialist.
Please.
But the ICE agents are not allowed into the private areas of your workplace unless they have a warrant signed by a judge. So just a warrant from ICE itself doesn't qualify. So, but they can come into the public areas, and they can talk. They can ask questions, but you don't have to talk to them, and your employees don't have to talk to them. So I hate to say this, but it's better not to cooperate in that situation, and call your lawyer.
Call your lawyer. On that note, if someone wants to reach Carol for any matters on employment law, how can they reach you?
They can always reach me at my office, Atkinson Andelson, lawyer Rudy Romo. Email me or call me, and I'm there all the time.
Sweet. Thank you, Carol.
Absolutely.
Excellent presentation.
Thanks, Nicholas.
You're welcome.